Hello, children! Today, we will learn about farm animals. Farm animals live on farms. They help farmers in many ways. They also make different sounds. Let us listen carefully and learn together. Are you ready? Let's begin! This is a cow. A cow is a farm animal. Cows give us milk. What sound does a cow make? A cow says, "Very good." This is a goat. Goats live on farms. They like to eat grass. What sound does a goat make? A goat says, "Nice work." This is a sheep. Sheep have soft wool. Farmers use wool to make clothes. What sound does a sheep make? A sheep says, "Very good." This is a chicken. Chickens live on farms. They give us eggs. What sound does a chicken make? A chicken says, "Well done." This is a duck. Ducks live near water on farms. They like to swim. What sound does a duck make? A duck says, "Great job!" This is a horse. Horses are strong animals. They help farmers carry things. What sound does a horse make? A horse says, "Excellent!" This is a pig. Pigs live on farms. They like to roll in mud. What sound does a pig make? A pig says, "Good listening." This is a rooster. A rooster wakes people in the morning. What sound does a rooster make? A rooster says, "Very good." This is a buffalo. Buffaloes are farm animals. They also give us milk. What sound does a buffalo make? A buffalo says, "Nice." This is a donkey. Donkeys are farm animals. They help carry heavy loads. What sound does a donkey make? A donkey says,
Hee-haw!
"Good job!" Today we learned about farm animals. We listened to their sounds. You did a wonderful job! Farm animals help us every day. We should take care of them. Bye-bye! See you next time!